everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you a fish recipe in air fryer. I have posted deep fried fish pakoda recipe. So it will be oilless, oil-free fish. And the fish I'm going to use is a wild rockfish. For our coating, I'm going to use a basin and the water as we need it. I always list my ingredient list under description, so please check it out. And we're going to use Kashmiri mirt, salt, black pepper, parsley flake, ajwain, which is carom seed. If you haven't used it, please try it. Ginger powder, garlic powder. And let's get started. I wash with the cold water and I cut into 2 pieces. And now we're going to make fish in air fryer. Get a mixing bowl, add all spices. Now add besan, which is gram flour. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add water as we need it. Keep adding water and keep mixing. We don't need to add more water. As you can see, this is what we need. You don't need too thick, you don't need too thin. This is the perfect. Now I'll add fish pieces and make sure it's nicely coated, and then add more pieces. And this is the last one. As you've seen that the masala is nicely coated on each pieces. We're going to let it sit for 10 minutes, marinated really nicely. This is the air fryer. I'm going to pull it. So this is how it looks, and now we're going to put it into the air fryer. Plug it in. We'll start it, and we're going to select the mode. Chicken, and now fish. So this is the preset setting at 400 degree Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. So it started automatically. Within 10 minutes our fish will be fully done. We're almost done. It's 1 more minute to go. So I'll open it. So this is how the fish looks after 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes, the fish is all ready, but I need more crispy look because of the basin. I need more crispy look. So I'm going to put it back again, and we'll do this time only 2 minutes. I'm going to press it, and we're going to select the mode to fish, and we're going to keep the time 2 minutes. So altogether within 12 minutes we'll be done. So I'm going to press it on. So we'll come back after another 2 minutes. 1 more minute to go. So altogether we did it for 12 minutes. Another 2 minutes is perfectly fine. So we are done 12 minutes. I'll open it. Look at this. It's a delicious, our oilless, oil-free fish. I have my serving plate ready, and I'm going to dish out. Look at this. Very tasty, very delicious fish recipe without oil. No oil. Let me share with you. Rockfish in air fryer, oilless, oil-free cooking is all ready. And if I can show it to you, this is fully cooked. Please try it and you're going to like it. It's very delicious. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.